Okay, so what's going on? We are where? Where are we, Dave? We're up there. Okay, so yeah. So that big thing in the center is moving up, up, up. 15 minutes.
Pressure's good? Yep. Camera going. Drive it on.
Hey, Mr. Slim.
Sir.
So what just happened out there?
Well, it's wet here at Rotalina today, and you rode the, I guess, the wet bike first.
Yeah, I rode. That one's name's Franz.
Oh, Franz.
Yeah,
Excuse me.
and so I burned up my rain tire pretty good on the rear.
Burnt the living daylights off the tire.
And here is the rain tire that is cooked.
Yeah, she's toast.
Look, there's only a little bit of groove left in the center there. Yeah, well, this tire's to the garbage pile now. And as you can see, Franz had some damage from the last weekend at Coda. Got a little bit of duct tape on him. And that's it. It's not like it's not raining, Greg.
It's not like it's not raining. What?
That guy's ripping.
I know he is. It's crazy.
Yeah, so racing has been delayed.
Indefinitely because it's not raining.
No, it's not raining.
It's not raining. It's not raining.
Yeah.
And I guess there's standing water on the track. So they haven't, we ran our race in the rain, but the 600 Super Sport hasn't run, and the 600 Super Stock hasn't run. And so I'm just going to continue to clean the chain until they run them. I've been cleaning it for like 4 hours now.
That's a lie. It's raining. Yeah. That's right. Nice day to rain. We got a camera guy here. The rain.
Camera guy filling the camera guy?
He's got a KTM.
He's got a KTM case.
That's awesome. Where are you from?
From
Puerto Rico. How'd you get up here? Did you drive or fly?
I gotta fly. I'm a mechanic. I work for...
Kawasaki in the pit.
What?
Here, take the camera. Hold her steady. Ask me some questions. Let's do a little interview. Anybody ask me a question.
Oh yeah, so where are you from?
I'm from Kelowna, BC, Canada.
Oh, from Canada?
See this thing here.
I don't know what questions to ask you. I don't even know who you are.
There, Canada.
Oh, nice. How much you been racing, man?
How long?
Yeah.
8 years, since 2007.
Okay. So, how you think the weather today is?
I think it's raining.
It appears to be raining out there.
Right, yeah?
That's right.
It's the perfect weather, right?
I don't mind racing in the rain, but I don't like being miserable in the rain in the pit.
Okay.
Greg says he loves the rain.
I love the rain.
Yeah, you like the rain?
I really enjoy it.
Yeah. He's like listening on his intercom saying, I love the rain.
I love the rain.
Oh,
Just talking about it. Over and over.
Yeah.
So, nice bike here. This is your bike right now?
Yeah, this is our 2013 BMW S1000.
Okay.
It's named as Franz. It's called Franz.
Franz is the name?
Franz, that's Arnold.
Oh, this is Arnold.
All the bikes.
Yeah.
How much is what's the Tron?
Our Arnold, how much is he for sale?
Yes.
Asking $20,000. It
$20,000.
cost me $30 to build.
30? So right now we're looking at 30,000 bike, 30,000.
Yeah, you buy a bike for like, 18 and put 12 into it, right?
Okay. So how much are the power you are running right now here?
Well, I run no traction control, I run slick mode, I run normal, everything, like I do it in the dry. I just soften the compression up a little bit and maybe take out some preload. Around 183 rear wheel horsepower on a slick, a Dunlop slick.
Okay.
That's what we averaged out on some dynos. Every dyno is different though.
Yeah.
With the Power Commander, we tune it with the Power Commander.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So, you got a question for him?
What did you do in the first race today?
I got 9th, right?